Imagine you're saving up for that dream vacation, a new car, or perhaps a down payment on a house. You need a savings account that's reliable, accessible, and offers a decent return. But with so many options out there, how do you know which one is right for you? Have you heard of Tide? It's a digital bank that's been making waves in the financial world. But is it a good fit for your savings goals? Let's dive in and find out. What is Tide? Tide is a mobile-first bank that offers a range of financial products, including savings accounts, business accounts, and debit cards. One of the things that sets Tide apart is its focus on simplicity and convenience. Their app is easy to use, and you can manage your finances from anywhere, anytime. Key features of Tide savings accounts. High interest rates. Tide often offers competitive interest rates on their savings accounts. This means your money can grow faster over time. No monthly fees. Unlike traditional banks, Tide doesn't charge monthly fees for its savings accounts. This can save you money in the long run. Easy access. You can access your money whenever you need it through the Tide app or by using your debit card. Secure banking. Tide uses advanced security measures to protect your money and personal information. Pros and cons of Tide savings accounts. Pros. High interest rates. No monthly fees. Easy to use app. Secure banking. Great for digital savvy customers. Cons. Limited physical presence, no branches. May not be suitable for those who prefer traditional banking. Is Tide right for you? The decision of whether Tide is a good savings account for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a simple, convenient, and high-interest savings account, Tide could be a great option. However, if you prefer the personal touch of a traditional bank or need frequent access to cash, Tide might not be the best fit. Here are some factors to consider when deciding if Tide is right for you. Your savings goals. Are you saving for a short-term goal like a vacation or a long-term goal like retirement? Your banking habits. Do you prefer to manage your finances online or do you like to visit a bank branch? Your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with the potential risks associated with digital banking? Alternatives to Tide. If Tide doesn't meet your needs, there are plenty of other savings account options available. Here are a few popular alternatives. Traditional banks. Banks like Chase, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo offer a wide range of savings products. Online banks. Online banks like Ally Bank and Capital One offer high interest rates and no monthly fees. Credit unions. Credit unions are member-owned financial cooperatives that often offer competitive rates and personalized service. Ultimately, the best savings account for you is the one that meets your specific needs and goals. Tide is a great option for those looking for a simple, convenient, and high-interest savings account. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.